Good morning. I would like to invite you for my seminar, The Freedom of Words. It will take place in the frame of the Online Theatre Academy from the 1st of February till the 15th of February, but it's just 5 online meetings. In this seminar, through the methodology, through the different practical exercises, I would like to show to you the life of the words in freedom. How they play with each other, how they hide their content under a mask, how they replace it, how they divide into the several meanings, how they kill each other and give the doors to the new creation, to the new words. I can tell you the words in free life, in freedom, they are living in the different way. I will share with you my method of the words construction. It's not the traditional linear folding of words where one follows the another immediately, like in the book. But structure, what I propose, are spherical, fluid, scattering, pulsating. With this structure, the words, they live independently, spaciously, more free, moving and embracing outside the order the text intends for them. So the face of the word sheds its mask and reveals its true meaning. Honestly, I can say it's difficult for an actor to play with the words in freedom, but it's much more interesting. So, very welcome to my workshop.